In today's video, I'll teach you how to order from Just Eat app. First of all, launch open Just Eat application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. You'll be able to find various options that you can order from over here. You can also search for it. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now, what you have to do is simply type in the thing that you want to order. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the results over here. That particular filter will be applied. You'll be able to find various options that you can choose from. Tap on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, you can see over here the menu will be displayed over here. Since I searched for pizza, I'm being able to see various types of pizza over here. Simply tap on the plus icon right next to the item that you want to order. Once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to place the order. You'll be required to select the options according to the items that you selected. You can also specify the quantity if you want. Tap on the plus icon if you want to increase it. Tap on the minus icon if you want to decrease it. After you do that, tap on the add option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here that particular item has been added to your basket. At bottom, you'll be able to find the option for view basket. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see all the items that you've added to basket over here. Tap on the option go to checkout that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the checkout interface. In this interface, you'll have to fill in some informations in order to confirm the order. You can see over here, you'll have to enter your phone number. So tap on the field of phone number. Now what you have to do is simply enter the valid phone number over here. After you do that, tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Likewise, if you have any vouchers and discounts, you can enter it over here. You'll also have to select the payment method. Tap on the field of payment method. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to select the payment method. You'll be able to find the options like bank app, credit or debit card, Google Pay, PayPal. Tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option, credit or debit card. After you do that, tap on the confirm option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see the order summary over here. You'll be able to see the subtotal, delivery fee, small order fee and service charge. At last, you'll be able to see the total. Now tap on this option, order and pay, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, if all the informations that you provided are correct, you'll be led to another interface. In another interface, what you have to do is simply enter the payment details. After you enter the payment details, confirm the payment, complete the transaction. After that, your order will be placed and you'll be able to receive the order according to the shipping time. So like this, you'll be able to order from Just Eat. So that is how you order from Just Eat app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.